Okay, so I have a lot of unboxings, right? So the first one is Babe Original. Yay! This is one of my favorite beauty brands because this brand helped my lashes grow long. You know, they sent me this because I did a campaign and they're like, here's your gift for doing our little video for us, okay? Because they had it sold, but I think it's over now. It's been 2 weeks already. And this is hard to open. Okay, so. Okay, somebody came. Okay, yay, finally. I'm going to show you what I received. So, this is the Volumizing Mascara. Oh crap, I didn't receive what I thought I was going to receive. What the heck? Oops. Oh, I forgot. It's because I had to pay for shipping and I didn't pay it. That's why they didn't send it. But I thought I did pay it or send. I don't know. It's so weird. But anyways, it's another package. I'm probably late already. I won't receive it. Oh well. So this is their Volumizing Mascara. I already tried their mascara. I don't know if it's the same one. I think they have multiple mascaras. So let me open the box and see. Oh yeah, it's the one that I already have, but this one's just mini version. It's so cute. I love the packaging is blue. Oh, by the time I look for it, I'll find it. Let's see. I don't feel like going through the drawer right now. Okay. But it's super tiny and cute. Okay. And it also came in with this Lash Separator. So whenever you apply mascara, you then go with this brush to separate your lashes so it's not clumpy. And this is what I'm most excited to try because whenever I do my mascara, it gets clumpy, it doesn't curl up, it doesn't look good. I'm so excited for this. I really am. Ta-da! Frick. You see? Okay, I have to show my hand so you can see. Those little sticks, you comb through your lashes like this. You open your eye and then go. So yay, thank you so much Babe Original for sending me these two things. Like, I'm excited. And the hair serum is one of my favorite products. Like, you can see it gives you hair growth. It's just, it also helps your hair not to get oily like myself. My scalp used to be super oily, now it's not. So just by using this, okay? I do have a link where you can purchase their products. I'll put it in my description or in the screen, okay? Yay! Thank you so much for watching. Wow, I found the mascara right after I ended the video. It was right in front of me the whole time. Wow. So I'm gonna show you the original big size I received spring, so months ago, the beginning of the year. So this is how it looks. The one obviously is bigger. It's the same. The other one is just mini version. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to share. So yay, bye.